to find out the genotype of F1 generation, Mendel conducted a cross with the F1 generation with its recessive parent. So Mendel conducted a cross of F1 hybrid with its recessive to find out the genotype of F1 generation. That type of cross is known as test cross. Test cross is conducted to find out the unknown genotype of a parent. Then a test cross is always conducted with its recessive parent. Crossing of F1 hybrid with its recessive parent to find out the unknown genotype of F1 progeny. That means it's a genetic cross which is used to find out whether the dominant individual is homozygous or heterozygous, whether it is homozygous or heterozygous for a particular character. So this is the normal monohybrid cross. So capital T, that is tall plant is crossed with dwarf plant. F1 progeny we are getting capital T small t, and selfing of F1 generation we are getting tall and dwarf in the ratio 3:1 and genotypic ratio 1:2:1. These ratios are very important. Okay. So text cross we are conducting with the hybrid with its recessive parent. Then in the genotype ratio, when we are conducting the test cross, we are getting the genotypic ratio 1:1. That means if the F1 progeny is heterozygous, then the offspring produced are tall and dwarf in the ratio 1:1. So the monohybrid phenotypic ratio is 1:1 and genotypic ratio is also 1:1. That is 1 capital T small t, then small t. Therefore, the monohybrid test cross ratio is 1:1. Is it clear? Then, this is the cross given in your textbook. So, here we have to find out. This is the dominant phenotype. We don't know which is the genotype. So, there the violet flower. It may be either capital W or capital W, small w. Then if it is capital W, then all the flowers, when it is crossed with its recessive parent, there violet is the dominant character and white is the recessive. So there, when it is in homozygous condition, then all plants, what is the result? All plants are violet, all flowers are violet. Therefore, the unknown flower is homozygous dominant. Here the dominant individual is homozygous. For the character, we get all the violet flowers in test cross. On the other hand, if it is heterozygous condition, when it is crossed with the homozygous recessive, half of the flowers are violet and half of the flowers are white. So what is the genotype of the unknown flower? It is heterozygous. That means capital W and small w. So this is the figure or example for test cross given in your textbook. You have to draw this in your notebook. Is it clear? Then one more cross is there. That is test cross is actually a back cross. Back, B-A-C-K, back cross. Back cross means the F1 hybrid is, we are crossing it with either of their parent. Maybe the dominant character or the recessive parent is known as back cross. So test cross is a example for or is a type of back cross. That means here we are crossing with its recessive parent. In back rows, in the other back rows, we can either with its dominant parent. So crossing with the parent is known as back cross. If the parent is recessive, that cross is called test cross.